Hey everybody, I've got Jared here. He is one of my Rockstar practice members in the office. So I've already shot a few videos where I've been explaining what I've been doing as I'm adjusting. I wanted to shoot one where I'm just going through and adjusting like I normally would every time Jared comes in to get his tune-up, just so you guys get a feel of what it's more like in real time. So, some good news for me today, Jared.
I got all the vehicle going.
Nice. If you need a mechanic, this is your guy. He can fix anything. But as he's fixing things, we got to do things to make sure his spine stays fixed also. Excellent. Let's have you turn on your left side here, Jared.
All right.
That was awesome. Let's get you on your back. So the nerves from that area of the spine go down to control things like the bowels, the bladder, the intestines, the reproductive organs. That adjustment will free up the nerves talking to those. Beautiful. All right, let's get you back on your stomach here. Okay, pick that leg up in the air as high as you can. Drop her down, pick up the other one. Beautiful, balanced and even. All set, so that's it. That's really all it takes to get your adjustment. So if you guys aren't getting your spine taken care of, make sure you click the link, get in here, get it checked. If you don't have a healthy spine, you don't have a healthy body. Really appreciate you, Jared. How do we do?
Very good.
Very good. All right. Have a great day, everybody.